What's up guys, welcome back to Redline Racing Garage. So today is finally the day where we're going to be bringing the SI to see Rui, and we're going to be swapping the blown motor for the fully built one finally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by loading up the SI into the trailer. We got to get the motor in there as well, strap it down, make sure everything is secure, and we should be good to go. So finally we can get this thing in and finally get it tuned and get it on the road. So very excited for that. Another thing I did want to show you guys before we load everything up and leave is this is the fuel pump that I got. So this is a 525 Walbro drop-in fuel pump. Now they're built by a company called TI Automotive. Don't know why, but it's still Walbro, as you guys can see. So like I said in my previous video, I do need a bigger fuel pump so we can run more horsepower. So yep, got the pump, got a new drop-in filter as well, everything, all the wires. So we gotta just connect everything and go from there. Right now I do have a DHWorks 300 on there, so that pretty much won't cut it if I'm gonna want to go well over 700 horsepower, which I do. So we got this fuel pump. I also do have injectors. So Rui got me FIC, I believe he said it was 2150s, somewhere around there, over 2000 cc's. So he has them with him. He got it ordered, so that's with him now, so we can drop everything in there. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got. And so right now we're gonna work on getting the SI loaded up into the trailer. We're gonna get the engine in there as well and finally get this thing running. I want to see this thing running. It's been a hassle, it's been so long. I haven't driven this thing on the road for months. All this time spent and money spent, it's killing me. But today's the day. We're gonna get the fully built motor swapped in the SI. Rui is gonna schedule a tune probably sometime early next week. As you guys know, it is the long weekend this weekend, so we're gonna get a tune on this thing as soon as possible. So once it's all in there, once it's tuned, I can finally take it on the road. And we also have some good news. We are good to go on outdoor activities. So probably tomorrow the restrictions are lifted, and we're still waiting on word from Cayuga Toronto Motorsport Park, the local track where we do circuit racing, drag racing, all that stuff. So we should be getting on the track, if not this weekend, 100% next weekend. So I'm thinking by then I should have this motor in. It should be tuned. I should have a couple days to break in the motor, break in the clutch, and finally get this thing on the track. I've been itching, I've been waiting so long. Finally, things are looking really good so far, fingers crossed. Hopefully everything works out in my favor this time. We'll see how it goes. I'm not promising anything, but we'll see how everything's gonna turn out. But everything is looking good for now, so hopefully we can actually get all this done and start actually racing this thing. I want to see what type of numbers we can put down. I want to bring you guys some good action videos. My channel hasn't gotten barely any like action videos. I want to give that to you guys. I'm really excited to make those videos. So that's coming very soon. It looks like we're gonna get on the track very soon, so I'm very excited. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned. it up. We got it all strapped down, ready to go. Now the only thing left that I have, I'm trying to figure out where to put the motor. I'm not exactly sure. I might put it in the trunk of the QX56 just to be safe, because I don't have any other mounting brackets installed here. So just to be safe, I might want to put that in there. So we'll probably end up doing that. And then once we load up the engine, we are good to go. We're gonna go and see Rui and finally get this process started. Alright guys, we made it here to KTUNED headquarters. We're gonna get the SI unloaded and bring it inside the shop. Alright guys, so we got the car on the lift. Rui already started tearing into it. So it's getting there. He's just getting the coolant out, getting it all up and going again. So we'll see how it's gonna go. He did say that we should be pretty much done by the end of this weekend. And we do have a different tuner. Like I said, we do have a different tuner coming. We're still debating between two, both really good tuners, so really excited on that. And yeah, she's back here again, guys, back here again. So this is, we'll call this the Turbo 8th Gen SI build 2.0. This is the 2.0. So yeah, I got the engine sitting right here, and yeah, soon it's gonna be going in. So we're gonna see how far we can get today with all this. I think we should be able to drop the motor today, get it out, and then tomorrow we can start bolting everything on the built engine and then put it in by Sunday. So yep, that's good, ready, good to go. And another thing that me and Rui were talking about was I do want to go E, so we're gonna do E95. So we will be running E. I figured because it is a lot safer, I don't want to take any risks with the built motor. So any like safe method that I can take, I'm gonna use it. And with E, we're gonna make more power easily. It's gonna be safer, so it's a win-win, I think. So yeah guys, we're going E95 on the Turbo 8th Gen Civic SI. So again, couple changes on this. So yeah, so I'm really glad that we got it in as quick as we could. Really appreciate Rui, Mateus Racing. Remember guys, if you guys need any work done, this is the guy I trust 150% to do any work. He does anything automotive, Volkswagens, you name it, Hondas, anything, German, whatever it is, he does it all. So if you guys want some work done by him, just hit me up in the comments. Again, I will leave his name in the description, and you guys go check him out on Instagram. But yeah, back here again, 2.0. So let's see how this is gonna go. So pretty much that'll do it for today's video. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. If going E makes sense, if it doesn't make sense, let me know. I really would like to hear your opinions and your thoughts, so put it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, again, that'll do it for today's video. Take it easy guys.